Hello everyone, in today's video I'll show you on how you can fix sharper image massage gun not charging or working. So there's multiple ways in order to fix this problem, and the first thing that I suggest is simply make sure that the device have enough power. So maybe you should go ahead and charge it for around 3 hours to see if it works. From there, you then want to navigate through the following troubleshooting guide. Now, basically from here, you want to check the power switches. Many models have a dual switch design. And basically with that, aside from the main power button on the control panel, you want to ensure that the master on or off switch located on the bottom of the handle next to the charging port is flipped to the on position. So it's going to be similar to those power surge protectors extension where you actually have to go ahead and switch it to on and off. From there, you could also try performing a hard reset. So you want to turn the massage gun off and unplug it from the charger. Press and hold the main power button continuously for around 10 seconds to reset the internal microchip. Release the button and turn the unit back on and see if now it works. From there, you could also go ahead and try to inspect the charger and the main outlet right here. So you want to use the standard sharper image charger or the exact voltage matching a replacement. Using a generic charger or standard phone cables can damage the circuitry or fail to deliver the necessary output on these devices right here. Now, the last thing that I suggest is to jumpstart extended storage batteries. If your massager has been sitting idle for long periods of time, the battery may be in a sleep state, so you want to leave it plugged continuously for around 8 hours to 12 hours without any interruption. And from there, this will go ahead and simply fix your problem. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.